What's up everyone, welcome to my 14th C++ tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you guys the famous do while loop. So in the last tutorial we covered the while loop. In this tutorial we're going to be covering the do while loop. Sounds fun? Oh, it is. So let's go ahead and get rid of our entire while loop. There's one last look at it, so goodbye. Alright. Sorry, I got smoker's cough. Alright, in the last tutorial we made a while loop, and I said it had a test expression and a body, and so does this one, but it's kind of flip-flopped around. What the do while loop allows you to do is it allows you to execute a piece of code at least once before even testing it at all. So sounds kind of dangerous, but alright, enough with the chit chat, let's just do it. The first thing, let's go ahead and declare a variable int equals 1. So we're gonna let's make int x equals 1. So we have an integer variable x and it's equal to 1. The syntax for your do loop is do. So you better not forget that because it's really easy. Next, in your body, you want to make your instructions what you want your loop to do, just like the loops before. So let's make something real easy but kind of fun at the same time. We'll make it output on the screen something clever. Let's say dentist appointment at 2:30. Get it? Dentist appointment at 2:30. Slow joke, my sister told it to me. So after that you can put end line, since we're done with that line, and then we have to increment our variable so it doesn't keep repeating. X is equal to x plus 1, and right now what we have is a variable, and no matter what our while loop says, this is going to do this at least once. So it's going to output on the screen dentist appointment at 2:30, aka 2:30, and then it's going to increment it by 1. So now that we have that at least once, we're going to go ahead and build our while loop. So we're going to put while, and in our parameters we're going to want to put while x is less than or equal to 10. Nothing fancy. So here's what we got going on here. To recap one more time before I show you guys this loop, which you guys are just dying to see. You have an integer variable x is equal to 1. You're going to do the instructions at least once without any fight at all from anything else. And then after you're done doing it once, it's going to say, alright, now how many times do you want me to do this? Oh, for every time x is less than or equal to 10. So let's go ahead and do this 10 times. Alright. So enough with the chit chat. Execute, compile, and run this baby. Make sure I didn't mess anything up. So right now we have dentist appointment at 2:30, and this is because this variable was true, so it ran this, and then since it was true for 10 times, it ran it 10 times. So, but if you're asking, alright, what if this is false? What if you have a variable like 55 where x equals 55, so you're going to output it on the screen, but when it gets to this, it's false. What's going to happen? Well, what should happen, if I didn't mess anything up, it should run this code, dentist appointment at 2:30, at least one time, and by at least one time I mean run it one time, and then when it gets to this, it should not do anything else. So execute, compile, and run. Compiling, come on baby, no whammy, no whammy. That's what I'm talking about. So it ran it one time, dentist appointment at 2:30. So those are your basics for a do loop. Again, declare a variable, run the code at least once, and then test it and tell it if it's true still how many times you want it to run. So it's simple enough, and this loop is useful in a lot of different applications, but we won't get into that for now. For now, you should be studying this loop, probably rating my video a 5 out of 5. And once you learn this, you can move on to my next tutorial. So thanks for watching now. See you guys next time.